How to become 10% more productive than other people? Did you know or no? But I can tell you right now that AI already help us in any different areas, and you already can use it in education, fun, health, work, creative tasks, and one secret area. So if you thought that AI not so important or AI useless, so watch until the end, and I hope in the last area you will know new things which will be very useful for you. And why I didn't say you that you will be 200% more efficient than others? Because it's impossible, it's not true. If someone will tell you like that, just know that they are liars. Maybe Elon Musk can say true with his Neuralink or something. That's it. Only Elon Musk. And let's start from education. It's most, I think, where AI can be very useful. And you can use AI for plan builder. If you need to learn something or you need to have new skill, you can easily ask AI to build plan for you. Today most people for that hire some professionals and they ask them, pay them to write them some plan. But now you can easily ask ChatGPT to do this. And ChatGPT or other AI can do it with taking into account your characteristics. So maybe you like something or you can correct yourself plan, so it's very easily and useful. You can also use it for explanation. If you before use for that some Google and you try to find some articles for get some explanation for that, today you can use ChatGPT. You don't need to click many times to find what you really need. Just ask ChatGPT and that's it. Also, if you prepare for some exams, before you was needed some teacher or professor to check your work, but now you also can ask ChatGPT, so you can use it like answer checker. Or for example, you need to learn something very big, or you need to understand some article, but you need to read it and understand many hours or few hours or 1 hour. Anyway, if it will be too long for you, you can ask ChatGPT to summarize information from that. It may be some video or article, doesn't matter. ChatGPT can take it, summarize and give you the main things which you need to know. Sometimes if you have no time, it's very useful. By the way, in the description of video you can find ways how you can donate me. Next area is fun. You can find ChatGPT useful for fun in two sub areas. First one is generation, second one is recommendation. And ChatGPT can help you with generate some jokes, stories, games. Also like a recommendation system, it can help you to choose some movie to watch, music to listen, books to read or games to play. It may be online games or offline games, doesn't matter. You just need to ask something which will be similar of what you want and it can give you a few choices or many choices. Also, you can subscribe for my Telegram channel. There I try to post different things about AI and crypto world. It also can help you for health, but in this case you need to be more careful because health is very important and ChatGPT now not perfect. Its answers not so good how we want. So sometimes better, of course, to talk with specialists and ask people which really know what you need. But if you don't have choice or you just want to experiment, it can help you. For example, you need some fitness plan. It's very easily to ask ChatGPT to generate it for you. So yeah, if you need some fitness plan, ChatGPT can generate. Also, if you want additional exercises for some part of your body, it can easily help you. Also, if you don't want to affect some part of your body, or for example you're not allowed to jump or run or some specific things about your body, you can also ask ChatGPT to correct plan for that too. Or if you want specific diet for something, also usually if you want to find something like that, you will find some things maybe which you will not like, and you can ask ChatGPT to change it for what you like, or you can eat for what you don't feel disgust about. And if you have no choice or money for your psychologist, you can ask ChatGPT to help you too. And any type of doctors. But very careful, as I told, in such case it's more better to consult with real specialist. ChatGPT still sometimes can lie you, and that tips maybe not so good. And also you can use it for work. For example, like generator, you can use it and generate email or code or some pictures. And for other roles you can use it like editor, rewriter or copywriter. But it's very important to recheck ChatGPT results, because we still can get some mistakes and other not correct things. Or today, if someone will see that you just use ChatGPT, you didn't check it, and you give it someone, and they will understand that you generate it, and without checking, they start think about you not very good, like liar or very lazy person. And maybe they start to think maybe we just need to change you on ChatGPT or something like that. And as I told you, you can use ChatGPT for creativity tasks. You can use it like generator for books, stories, music and ideas. Maybe you already hear some guy create like comics and sell it for very big money, and he now have stable income, just automate it and use it like a comics generator. And sometimes you just need to continue something what you already create or found, maybe some list or text, and you just can ask ChatGPT to continue it for you. Or for example, for text you write some article, or you need some additional words to understand what talk about it or to write about it. And it also can help you to create or adapt some text like in some specific style. You can use style any famous people which have specific style. Or for example, you have some idea and you need some point of view of some famous person, maybe already not live, and you can easily ask ChatGPT to be like this person and give you some tips or advice. And now what I was called secret area, it's you can use ChatGPT like an advisor. And first point, it's sometimes you need a different perspective at the situation, and you need to ask someone more. As I told in previous areas, you need some style for that, some things of other famous person. You can use ChatGPT for that. Also you can use it for found some solution of complex or not so complex situation. Travel planning, why not? If you are somewhere, doesn't matter, you plan some road or movements, or you already in some city and you need to you want to know something about it, which places it will be better to visit today, or if you have few days, you just can ask ChatGPT to plan for you where to go. Or if you have some task and you need to choose some strategy, use it too. Format and formulation. Sometimes you can think about something and you cannot say or choose or understand what you really need, and you can ask ChatGPT to help you with it. You can write some analogies, your things, and it can help you too. Intimate questions. Sometimes you cannot ask or find someone to ask about something really intimate. Perhaps you want some privacy and you just don't want for that someone will know about what you want to ask. And in such case you can ask ChatGPT. Only OpenAI will know what you want or don't want. And of course, as planner, as I told before, you can use it. For example, you have some goal and you need to achieve it. Ask ChatGPT to write you some plan for that. Sometimes you will have a certain set of products in the refrigerator and you will think, oh, what I can to cook. Just write what you have. If I didn't talk about cases which you think is useful but I forget about it, share it in the comments. You know, many times I saw in different YouTube videos and articles how they try to use ChatGPT for something that really useless cases, and this is at least what is it. So some people thought, oh, I already have some blog or Telegram channel or YouTube videos, I can just put these knowledges inside ChatGPT and it can start answer like me. But there exists one problem. If you can use it for generate something in style like some authors or really famous person, ChatGPT can do it because it have really many information about it. It can found its style. But for your database, it's not enough. Yeah, if you have really a lot of materials with your conversations, text, sounds recordings, really a lot, you can retrain some models to be like you. But I'm repeating, you need really a lot of materials for that. But usually some people try to give one letter or one article and ask ChatGPT to answer like they want. It's useless. Also, if you need really excellent answers in maths, ChatGPT cannot count right now very good. Yeah, sometimes it can try to use Python for counting something. In such cases, yes, but usually if you will ask some for maths, it cannot give you good results. And to be 100% correct, it's not about ChatGPT too. It still can make many mistakes and sometimes it can lie. Also, if you want to generate something big, ChatGPT cannot give you enough. And every time someone tried to found or create money button, so they just really ask ChatGPT how to get tons of money. And ChatGPT will give them answer, but usually it's useful. So it's not just exist. You cannot just find button which will give you money. So that's it. We will discuss about cases when ChatGPT can be useful for you in daily life. Also, we was talking about useless cases. Yeah, useful cases and useless cases. Just try to do useful and don't do useless. That's it. I hope this video was useful for you. Bye bye.